So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the muted notifications on your Windows laptop. Now there are majorly two reasons. First of all, make sure that your volume is not set to the minimum value. Make sure that you have enough volume. Now secondly, click on the notification center on your Windows, and here you'll see this option, something like a bell that says do not disturb, that is currently turned on. Simply press on this again. Now what it does, in the do not disturb mode, you'll not get the notification sound for any of the notification. It simply stays in the notification. When you manually open this, you'll find it, but when you turn it off, you'll definitely get all the notification sounds as well, and not just the notification silently goes to the notification center and give a restart to your computer, and that's all that can definitely gonna help for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.